Hello fellow crocheter, and welcome to the 8th clue of our year-long Mystery Crochet Along. Can you believe it? I just wanted to encourage you this month to keep on keeping on. Your beautiful mandala is starting to take shape and you've learned so many amazing stitches, so just keep going. So here's what we've worked so far in this project. We've got this beautiful center for our mandala, then we moved into this beautiful wavy section. So we had this beautiful little lacy section, these adorable little popcorn stitches. Next we worked this section, and then these fun little puffs, and then on into this beautiful area here. So this month's clue is a 5 double crochet decrease. I shall demonstrate. To work a 5 double crochet decrease, you're going to start with a yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And we're going to do that 5 times. So yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, again, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 4 times, so we're going to do it one more time. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and you should have 6 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, then you're good to chain 1. And that's it. And that is it. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in a month. Bye!